Do you think a lonely 70 years old foreigner can find love in the Philippines? In your opinion, what's a good age gap for a 70 years old man? Would you ever consider dating a healthy 70 years old foreigner? Do you think a lonely 70 years old foreigner can find love in the Philippines?
Thank you. So I do believe that lonely people can find a love in the Philippines as long as um it is vital at saka gusto niya talaga to be there and kailang if okay lang sa kanya na magstay here in the Philippines.
Oh, so yes, as long as he also wants to stay here in the Philippines. How about, because he is 70 years old, right? How about like he needs to be in his country because of, let's say healthcare, but can he still find love here in the Philippines but live abroad?
So naniniwala ako na ang love is not di siya ano sa country lang. Para sa kuya for me okay lang kasi as long as you love the person, okay lang kahit kasi nga sinasabi nila na kung gusto mo talaga yung tao, okay lang sa'yo to settle but not for less.
Oh, she said that she believes that love is not about which country you are from, right? As long as you are um
Capable.
capable. Okay, capable to love, right? Like that.
Yes po.
Okay, okay. In your opinion, what's a good age gap for a 70 years old man?
In my opinion, there is no age gap for love. Kasi if you truly love the person, no matter what it is, or who he is, or kung ano man, kung anong age niya, or kung anong status niya, as long as you love the person, it's okay.
Okay, so age doesn't matter, right?
Yeah.
As long as you love the person. Okay.
And if pure yung intention mo.
Okay, and if his intention is pure, beautiful. How about you? Would you ever consider dating a healthy 70 years old foreigner?
In my opinion, yes, I do consider dating a ano, foreigner, but here in the Philippines, if you are dating in the foreigner, they have the caution na you only need for you love him because of his green card. Thank you.
Oh, but you don't care about that, right? You still, you will still consider to date them, right?
Yes po.
Okay, oh my God, it's raining. Anyway, how old are you, Be?
Even
18 years old. Single or taken?
single.
How long have you been single?
A month ago.
Okay. Okay, you're in college, right?
Yes po. Incoming first year college.
Incoming first year. That's very nice. Do you think a lonely 70 years old foreigner can find love in the Philippines?
I would rather say yes because I think age doesn't matter and uh love conquer everything, and I know that whatever your age gap is, as long as you love each other, then everything is possible.
Very beautiful answer. You sound like a beauty queen there. Right? Anyway, we interviewed her before. I know her face. I just forgot which video was it, but that's very nice of you to say yes again. And how about you, Ben? Do you feel a lonely 70 years old foreigner can find love in the Philippines? Yes or no?
I think it's yes po. Since just like what she said, age doesn't matter. So,
Okay. In your opinion, what's a good age gap for a 70 years old man?
Well, I think it doesn't matter what age gap, as long as you have both you have both um
In love.
understand each other, and also um uh, you
You love each other, right? You love each other. How about you, Be? What, in your opinion, what's a good age gap for a 70 years old man?
I think it's the same. There is no age gap since age doesn't matter, and as long as they both in love with each other and understand and can take care to each other. That's
Okay. How about you? Okay. Would you ever consider date a healthy 70 years old foreigner? Would you ever consider dating a healthy 70 years old foreigner?
for me. I think I can't.
You don't.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I
May,
can see.
may we know why? Well, we respect your answers, right? But it's just, I'm curious why.
Well, I'm into more as I'm just
Someone is closer to
close.
your age.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
someone's closer to my age.
Like what age?
Maybe 20,
20 and then up to what?
23.
Okay, 2023. How about 30 years old? Because most of foreigners, they don't really, even though they are like 40, 50, or even 60, they look young, very young for their age.
I'm not into foreigners.
Oh, you're not into foreigners, that's why. Okay. Well, we respect that. Yes, definitely. How about you, Be? Would you ever consider dating a healthy 70 years old foreigner?
I would say no because for me, it is not suit for my ideal guy, and my type is just um closer to my age, and I if but sh- syempre love, eh, you don't you don't,
You don't know.
yes, what love come when it is right.
Mm-hmm.
But I think I would rather say no again, because uh I would I'm not I'm not foreigner type. Hindi ko siya ano, ah hindi ko type yung foreigner to be my husband or boyfriend.
So you both prefer Filipino man.
Yes.
May we know why? Like, it's just because you don't want to, or you just don't like, is I respect that you both don't want to be, or you don't see yourself being in a relationship with a foreigner, but is there a reason behind that?
Yes, I think because I'm not prepared, and of course I'm afraid because we have a different culture, different traditions, and I think it is suits for me to have a partner that belongs to what culture and tradition I used to.
Okay. But are you closing your doors? Let's say there's you met someone, a foreigner, and it's not your ideal, you're not really planning to be in a relationship or to love or to like someone, like especially someone that is, not a Filipino. Are you closing your door for him, especially if you know that you like him? Like all of a sudden, like, oh my goodness, like what's happening to me? Like, you know what I'm trying to say, right? Are you closing your door?
Well, if that's the case, and I know that I love him, then I will not close the door, because you know why, in the end you will be hurt.
Oh, I love that. And that's good because, sometimes after 5 years or 10 years, we don't really know what's going to happen to us, right? Yes, we don't really know. So we can't really say, like, oh, I like these. And then you're stuck there. Like, that's it, right? Sometimes there are things that we can't explain, like, it just happened, right? So that's good that you're not closing your doors. Do you think a lonely 70 years old foreigner can find love in the Philippines?
Yes, because ano, because Philippines, more people in Philippines are single and they need a genuine love. Yeah.
Mm. Okay. Do you think there are more Filipinas here in the Philippines that will love someone who is, 70 years old?
Yes, I think because because more because the Filipina girl
They need an man like gentleman like that.
Mm, okay. So they okay. Okay. In your opinion, what's a good age gap for a 70 years old man?
For me, 15 years gap or 20, but in love, you don't need to you don't need a age gap if you love each other po.
Oh, so it doesn't matter, right?
Yes.
Whether he or she is, like 70 years old, or she is, let's say, 20 years old or 18 years old, or, I mean, like age doesn't matter, right?
Yes.
As long as you love the person. Okay. Okay, that's very nice. That's very nice of you to say that. Okay. Um, okay. How about you? Would you ever consider dating a healthy 70 years old foreigner?
Yes, for me because we need to know each other like dating. We need to have an expand communicating like that.
Okay. Like you don't limit yourself, right? You're also like open to any nationalities, or to like everybody like
Yes.
that, right? Okay. Okay. So that's a yes for you. You would date someone who is 70 years old.
Yes po.
Okay. Is that because, like, for example, you love the person, or it's because, I know a lot of people will think that, Filipinas are only, especially the young Filipinas who are in a relationship with older men, especially if they are foreigner, they think that they are only with him because of the money, or because of the, better opportunity. Are you like those?
No, for me kasi I need a man that he accept me over my you know,
Over your what?
over my insecurities like that.
You're so beautiful. I don't think you have insecurities or you have to be insecure of something. You're so pretty. You have this nice body, and she's kind. Yeah, very kind. So you're not one of those, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if ever someone like court you, or someone ask you out on a date, a 70 years old foreigner, you will say yes, or you will date him if you have a chance, not because he has money, but because you want to, right? You like him, you love him like that.
Yes po.
Okay, that's very nice. Just to be clear, yeah, right? Okay. How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
And college students, right?
Yes po.
Yes. We're aiming to interview someone who is like 50 years old, 40 years old, but I don't know. They really don't want to be interviewed. Only the the young ones that they want to. Okay. Anyway, hopefully we earn your subscription, and also if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. And thank you for watching. Take care everyone.
Beautiful reflections